In this video, I will introduce how to install split-phase, single electricity meter. You will need to prepare the following equipments. A Chint split-phase meter, the pair of split-core CTs that are included with the electric meter, a 2-core RS-485 signal cable. It is recommended to use 20 AWG shielded twisted pair cable. An RJ45 to RS-485 adapter. We should connect white wire into A spot-on adapter in advance, and connect blue wire into B spot. If you don't have this connector and twisted pair cable, you can also use a network cable to connect. Then, we should mount the Chint meter. Mount the meter on the rail. Hook it on top and push down until it clicks into place. You need to install 2 CTs on the main cables from the power grid. To do this, put CT1 on the L1 cable and CT2 on the L2 cable. Ensure that the grid CT arrow points towards the load. This grid CT is rated for 250A. So make sure the load current does not exceed 250A. First, route the wires from the grid CTs to the meter in the combiner box using conduit. Next, connect the white wire from grid CT1 to terminal 1 and the blue wire to terminal 3. Finally, connect the white wire from grid CT2 to terminal 4 and the blue wire to terminal 6. To begin, open the bottom cover of the electrical meter. Next, use cables to tap power from the L1, L2, and N lines of the main bus. Then, connect the other end of the cables to the 2, 5, and 10 terminals of the meter. Use our pre-made twisted pair cable with adapter. Connect the white wire into the A on the meter, and connect the blue wire into the B spot. Then, plug the RJ45 to RS485 adapter into the RJ45 signal hole on the ECU-R. Plug in the power adapter of the ECU. After powering on, connect your phone to the ECU-R hotspot. Choose the Wi-Fi named after the UID on the ECU. The default password is 88. We need to enter the UID of the inverter into the app. Access the ID management section within the workspace. Click Add to register the inverter. You can either scan the barcode on the inverter label or manually enter the inverter's ID. After entering the ID, click Sync. If the sync status for all inverters is shown as OK, it means the inverter UIDs have been successfully uploaded to the ECU. Return to the workspace and click on Inverter Connection Progress to monitor the networking progress. When it reaches 100%, the networking status will display OK, and the signal strength will be shown as normal, indicating the Zigbee network between the ECU and the inverters has been successfully established. Then go to the workspace interface and select Meter Settings. Open Grid Side Meter function. Select meter type. Click OK. If you need export limitation, return to the previous page. Click Meter function. Click Work Mode. Select Export Limitation. You can enter the allowed reverse power value in the power limit field. Then click OK.